This hopefully is the last storm of winter. It is March 18th after all. I never, ever, ever get a green light here. Ever. The law of averages works against me. Great. It's going to take me an hour to get to Maplewood. I have never seen the traffic this bad. It's now 10:17. We'll see what time I get to Maplewood. There are 2 lanes closed. Now I guess I gotta let the truck in, since it let me in. Well, there's the crash. It's hard to tell what's going on. I think that's a fire truck. It is. For goodness sake, I hope something didn't catch on fire. Can't tell because the sticky truck is sending up so much black smoke. Uh-oh, not a good sign. Hennepin County Medical Center. Back to normal speed by Huron Avenue, and it's 10:24. Not too bad. I'm not going to the university today. Not today. Looks like a car got stuck. This beautiful downtown St. Paul coming into view on the right. I'll be driving right through the city. Conveniently located superhighway. History Center to the right. And there it is in all its winter glory. Beautiful downtown St. Paul. The most beautiful view you could ever have of St. Joseph's Hospital's parking ramp, complete with American flag. This sure doesn't look like a ride through County Leitrim in Ireland. I think I prefer County Leitrim, Ireland. And we'll come to Ruth Street, and that's where I exit to get to St. Paul Youth Services, where I'm going this morning. Ruth Street, and it looks like I may have timed this light pretty well. I get a green light about a third of the time here. I wish I understood the law of averages. See, I got it. There's a little bobcat over there, probably doing the sidewalks or something. Oh, I missed the light. Yep. The bobcat's doing the sidewalks. Isn't that nice? And that's where I'm dropping my car off. It needs an oil change, and these people are really lovely. Firestone in Maplewood, Minnesota. For today, $3.63.9 per gallon for the cheap gas. So I dropped my car off. It's going to get an oil change and some new filters and new wiper blades. And check the radiator. They have butter burgers too. You wait till next weekend after we get through an Arctic week. It's going to finally get up to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Imagine that. Here's St. Paul Youth Services, a former bank. It does have a beautiful mural. St. Paul Youth Services, I was here for its dedication several years ago. And there's the doorway.